Welcome friends. Today we are going to learn the complete workflow of bagging operation. For that we will go to the bag management, then we will click on bagging operation. Now click on fetch from counter. Here we can fetch articles booked through the counter. For that we will choose the counter, then we click on fetch. The counter articles will be fetched here. Now close. Similarly, we can fetch articles booked through different channels like induction articles, delivery branch, return from branch offices and so on. Now we'll click on fetch. So no data is available right now, so we'll fetch the counter articles only. Here all the drop down list can be selected at once by clicking this button. So all the channels are now selected: counter, induction article, delivery branch, return from branch office. I will click on fetch. Now all the articles are fetched here. Now I will select all the articles. Now I will click on accept articles, then click on OK. All the articles are accepted now, so we'll bag them one by one. For that we'll go to the bag management, then bagging operation, then bag close at PO. Now I'll choose the destination. Here we'll choose the bag type, then TD or NTD. Now click on fetch. Articles are shown here. Now I will scan this article, then add. Now I will click on close bag with system generated label. The bag is closed successfully. Now I will click on save. Now I will close the window. Suppose the bag is close to the wrong destination. In that case, we can delete the bag. So we want to delete the same. For that, we'll again go to the bag management. Click on bag management. I will click on tools. Then we'll choose bag deletion. Here we'll scan the bag. Now we'll click on fetch. The bag can be viewed here. I will click on delete. Bag deleted successfully. Now we'll again go to the bag close operation. Click on bag management, then bagging operation. Now bag close at view. Here we'll choose the correct destination, then bag type, NTD, fetch. The article is again shown here. I will scan the same and click on add. I will click on close bag. Here we can scan bag level also, or we can close the bag with system generated barcode. The bag is closed. I will save, then we'll close the window. Let us close the next bag. Now here we can see these two articles will go to the same pin code. Now this pin code is incorrect, so we can change the pin code. Let us learn the process. So we'll go back. Now I'll click on tools, then click on change pin code. I will put the article, then get details. Now we'll put the correct pin code here. Then click on change pin code. The pin code is changed successfully. You can go back, then bagging operation, then back close. Now I will choose the destination, then fetch. You can see the pin code is changed. Now these two articles will go to the same destination, so we can put them to a single bag. Now we'll scan the next article and then click on add. Now I'll click on close back. I'll click on close back with system generated barcode. I will save the label. You can take printout. Let us learn the pending article operation. Suppose we want to put an article in a pending status. Then what steps should we follow now? So we'll go to the supervisor login. This is actually bag management supervisor. So we'll go to the bag management option. Then we'll click on supervisor. I'll click on change article status. Now here we have to choose the bag types. I'll click on page. So you can see 4 articles are shown here. We can put all of them into the pending state. Suppose this one is already dispatched manually through Excel entry. So we can now put that into the pending status. So we'll choose handle manually. Now we'll click on update status. The status will be updated. Error is shown, but the status will get updated. Similarly, we can put this article into the pending status. So here we'll choose mark pending for dispatch. Now we have to put a reason. Here we'll choose the suitable reason. Suppose we are choosing manpower shortage. I will click on update status. The status is updated. Now I'll fetch again. As you can see, one article is put into the pending. Now I'll click here. You can see the article. The article is now in pending state. Here we can see all those articles that are kept in the pending status for the last 72 hours only. Now again we will go back to the back closing operation. For that we will go to the counter. Now we again come back to the operator login. Now we'll go to the bagging operation. Then we'll click on back close at PO. Now we'll choose the destination. Then we'll click on fetch. So you can see 2 articles are shown here, but both the article number is same. Now we'll scan the article. Add the article is scanned. Now before closing the bag, we can also save the bag. So for that we'll click on save draft. The bag is saved as draft. Now I will go back. For that we'll click on home. Then again bagging operation. Then back close at PO. I will choose the same destination. I will click on fetch. So you can see the bag is appeared and it has appeared in the previous stage. So now I will close the bag. Close the bag with system generated label. The label is generated. I will save that and also print the manifest. Now check if any other articles are pending for dispatch. For that we will go to the supervisor login. Now come to the supervisor login. Now I will click on supervisor. Then we will click on change article status. I will choose the bag type. Now I will click on fetch. 2 articles are shown here. The second one is already sent through manually. Now first one will be closed as station bag. I will check the pending article. I will click on fetch. So this one was kept in deposit. Now I want to bring that to the dispatch. So we'll change the remark mark available for dispatch. Update the status. The status is updated. Now you can click available articles. Fetch. The articles is shown here. I will back the same. So for that we'll again go to the operator login. So come back to the operator login. I will choose the destination then fetch. The article is shown here. Now we have already closed similar type of bag previously. So if we want, we can put this article to the previously closed bag also. For that we'll go to the home, then tools. Now click on reopen closed bag. Here we'll scan the bag. Now click on fetch. The bag is reopened successfully. Also the pending article is shown here. Now we'll scan the article and put into the bag. Click on add. If we want, we can save as draft also. Then click on close bag. The bag number will be remain same. And close bag. Error is thrown. So let us try again. Now the articles are already bagged. So in this way, we can reopen a closed bag and also put article into that. So you can also change the bag destination. For that, we will go to the bag report. Now print bag manifest. I will scan the bag view. So this bag is having two articles, and both the article will go to the same pin code 713409, and destination is Bardhaman NSH. Now we want to change the destination. Close that. Now I'll go to the home. Then we'll click on tools. Now we'll click on change close bag destination. I will again scan the bag. I will click on fetch. Here we'll select the office. Previously it was Bardhaman NSH. I'll choose Kalnasho. Now I will click on change. The destination is changed successfully, and you can also see that. Now we have to reprint the manifest. For that, we'll go to the home, then bag report, print bag manifest, scan the bag, and manifest is generated. And also the destination is changed. Now we'll print the same and save that. Now we have learned the process to change a close bag destination. So we have only one bag left with us, that is the station bag. For that, we'll go to bag home, then we'll click on bagging operation, then click on station bag close. Here we'll fetch. The article is shown here. I'll scan the article. Add. This one is a insured article, so we have to verify that. For that, we'll go to supervisor login. So we have come to the supervisor login. Now click on supervisor, insured article verification. So if we had received the bag, then we'll choose the receive option. Now we'll choose the close bag as we are closing the bag. Pending fetch. The article is shown here. Now select the article. Click on approve. The insured article verification done successfully. I'll have to again go back to the operator login to close the bag. So I've come to the operator. Now I'll again scan the bag, scan the article. I'll click on add. I'll click on close bag. Close bag with system generated label. The label is generated. Now click on save. Now close the window. The bag is closed successfully. Now again we have to verify the bag. For that, we'll again go to the supervisor login. I've come to the supervisor login. Click on supervisor. Insert bag verification. It is closed, so choose the close tab. Pending, then fetch. As it is a station bag, so nothing is shown here. Otherwise, we have to verify the same. Now, again, we'll go back to the operator login to dispatch the close bag. For that, we'll go to the bag operation and click on bag dispatch. I will choose the schedule, then click on fetch. The expected bags will be shown here. Now I have to scan them one by one. Scan the bag, then add. In training server, the dispatch bag is not working. So in this way, you can dispatch the closed bag. Once the bags are dispatched, uh, this part of the bagging operation is completed. Another part is left, that is to receive a bag and open the bag. For that, we will go to the bag management. We have a station bag with us. Let us open the station bag. Now click on bag receive. Now for station bag, we don't need to receive the bag. For any other bag, we'll choose the schedule and click the fetch. The expected bags will be shown here. We have to scan them one by one and receive that. For station bag, we are choosing bag open. I'll scan the station bag. Now fetch. And the article is shown here. We'll scan that article. Now add. Now click on bag open. Station bag opened successfully. Now as it is uh, insured bag, so we have again go to the supervisor login to verify the bag. So we'll go to the supervisor login. Now click on supervisor. Now click on insert bag verification. Here we'll choose the receipt tab. As we are receiving the bag, click on fetch. Nothing is shown here. So the process is same. Now again we'll verify the article. So we'll go to the insert article verification, receive, then pending, and then click on fetch. The article is shown here. We'll select that article and click on approve. The insert article verification is done. So you have successfully completed the tagging operation. Thank you.